Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura. There are a lot of great places for us to shop for sewing supplies. Of course, we do love our fabric stores, our quilt stores, and the craft and hobby stores, but we can shop at a hardware store. You can get some great things at the hardware store, like these L brackets. This particular one is 1.5 inches on the one side and 2 inches on the other, and we can get them different lengths. These are great for squaring off big corners of quilts and quilt blocks. Big metal yardsticks are another thing that are great. This is quite thick and it's 47 inches long. And this particular one is exactly 2 inches. So this is another great one for squaring up the blocks. We can get toolboxes that are great to store little tools in, but you can also get rolling toolboxes that will fit not only our tools, but some of our small traveling sewing machines. And they're very sturdy so that they can take the abuse when we do a lot of traveling. There's also a container that we can get that stores a lot of little small things. And in sewing, we do have a lot of little things, snaps and eyelets and buttons. So a lot of these things are really small, so we don't need big containers for them, but it's nice to have them all in one area. So you can get these great metal drawers. These units are made out of metal, which means magnets can stick, so we can put some things on the sides. On the back, they're designed to be able to be hung up on walls, so we can save our real estate counter and put it up off of our counter onto a wall, so it can be handy beside our sewing machine or the area that we like to work in. And they come in many different sizes, so you can get really tall ones and short ones. The little plastic drawers we can see through, and they slide right in. So we can take them out and have them go to the surface that we're working on. And when we're done, they just go right back. And the baskets can be changed. So if you decide that you want to put these in order, you don't have to take things out of the baskets. You could just rearrange the baskets. And a lot of times they do have some big compartments at the bottom. Now, if it's not the color you like, we can always take these little drawers out, give it a spray paint, or cover it with some kind of a fabric or Mac tack, and we can have it coordinate to our room. Regardless if it's sitting on your counter or hanging on a wall, it is a great storage container for lots of little things. I love wandering the aisles of hardware stores. They really do give you a lot of different ideas of things that we can take from the hardware section and bring them into the sewing section. And they're usually made good and strong, and they're very reasonably priced. I do hope you check out the hardware store, and who knows, you might come home with one of these great little storage drawers. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.